What's up guys? So one thing that was impacted heavily after Renegades were introduced was your formation. Before Renegades were introduced, formation was a very important thing. You have to tweak your formation according to your opponent. Sometimes you will not win from one opponent using one formation, but if you will tweak it according to his stats, according to your stats, then you will be able to win from that opponent. And this was something very fun. I like to change my formation according to my opponents. Once the Renegades were introduced, it was kind of pointless to have formation. All you need was to have the troops that your Renegades require in order to get Renegade kills, and that's it guys. You will get a lot of Renegade kills and you will win from your opponent. And for a long time it was like that, but after this update a lot of things has been changed back to normal. Now crew kills matters again. I will say there was a time in the game where crew kills doesn't matter anymore. All you care about is to get a lot of Renegade kills, because crew kills just look so less compared to Renegade kills, and I will say in some ways it just spoiled us as a players. Now it's very disappointing to see that you are not getting a lot of Renegade kills or getting a lot of kills in total like you used to before this update, but everything is going in a right direction guys, because now formation matters again. Now you need to tweak your formation according to your opponent. Crew kills matters again. Renegade kills are also important. Now you have to tweak your formation according to your opponent, and I made a lot of videos regarding formation. I have a lot of information on my channel. I will soon upload new videos regarding Renegade, Bulker, Biker, Shooter and Vehicle formation. But if you don't want to wait, you can check out my previous formation video. I will be giving the link in the description. But I'm really happy guys that formation matters again, because now what formation I used before to get a lot of Renegade kills is not working anymore. So I need to tweak my formation again and adjust them. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that now you have to focus on your formation again. Make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel and turn on the bell notification. And that's it guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.